This little fella has the potential to release over 800 flavors. But it's not just what you put in that defines your coffee. At Breville, we believe what you put it into makes all the difference. So we designed the Oracle, the first espresso machine to grind, tamp, and extract with barista precision, while frothing the milk for you just the way you like it, so you can get more out of your coffee in no time at all.
Here we have the beans, tamper, and funnel, piston, portafilter, cylinder, and dispersion screen. Grind the fresh beans in a burr grinder. Next, preheat the cylinder and the cup. Place the funnel on top the portafilter. Fill to the rim with coffee. Tamp, then fill to the rim a second time and tamp again. Place the dispersion screen on top, checking for a level fit. Take the preheated cylinder and slide onto the portafilter. Mount the assembled brew head on the base of the flare. Fill the brew head with rapid boiling water to the fill line. Water temperature should be between 195 and 205 Fahrenheit. Insert the piston, then pull down on lever, aiming for a 25 to 40 second extraction. If the shot is running fast and the crema isn't present, it is because of one or more of the following. The grind isn't fine enough, coffee bed was not tamped down enough, or the beans are not fresh enough. You should have been roasted within 2 weeks and ground minutes before with a burr grinder. If after trying these recommendations you are still not satisfied with your results, please reach out to us. We are here to assist you. There is often some water remaining in the cylinder. It is best to disassemble over the sink. Knock the portafilter against a cutting board to dislodge the coffee puck. You can dislodge the piston from the cylinder with just your fingers, but by inverting the tamper on the counter or the palm of your hand, you can pop it out with very little effort.
The Barista Express from Breville takes just seconds from grinding to extraction. For the freshest espresso and luscious crema, let's see it in action. The built-in adjustable conical burr grinder with dose control ensures that you go from novice to expert in no time. The Barista Express, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.